Most of you don't know we have two different types of twisting, the left twisting and the right twisting. Before we continue, let's take a short break.
In the hands of Deborah, magic comes alive. Every twist, every break brings beauty to life. From deep to micro, her passion shines so bright. In every spread she touches, there's love in every sight.
Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if you're a new subscriber, kindly do well to click on the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop new videos. Okay, back to this video. We are seeing that she first of all used the Mali hair followed by the expression hair. The expression hair for the left twisting is different, while the expression hair for the right twisting is also different, but the most convenient one, the most convenient, finest and easiest for the expression is to use the right twisting. The left twisting is always finer for spring twist, the spring twist, the kinky hair, or the Mali twist. You will get that bouncy feel. Also, when you want to twist your natural hair, the best to use is the left twisting. If you use the right twisting to twist your natural hair, it will look tight and it will not look the regular. If you want the bouncy feel, use the left twisting. But for expression hair, the real and the correct twist is the right twisting, so you can get that beautiful look. So someone who is used to making hair with their left hand will find this left twisting method a friendly one, because it doesn't stress them at all. It doesn't make them begin to think of how to twist and all that. Another thing about the left hand twisting is that the method is particularly great for creating long-lasting styles with the extension. The technique does not only provide a secure twist, but it also allows the twist to lay naturally, giving the hairstyle a fuller and more authentic look. The same way it would give that look it will give when you use a spring twist or a passion twist. But once you go and use the right hand twist for a spring twist, a passion twist, or the kinky, you might not get the desired look you want. This video right here you're looking at is made with kinky. The hair is made with kinky and it is actually the left twisting. Although this particular brand of kinky is not that light, but it gave this fuller look for the hairstyle because it was twisted the left way. Even though at some point I thought the extension was not going to be enough, but it later became enough and we even add a little remaining. So when next you want to twist that kinky, go for the left, and when you're using an attachment, use the right.